Dynamic activities are a way that students can interact with applets you create in GeoGebra. For example, here we are using buttons to reset the values of a scatter plot, and checkboxes are used to check the correlation. In this activity, checkboxes are used to modify the graphics view to show similar triangles. Without the checkbox, we see secants, tangents, and chords. The sliders are also used to modify the graphics view. We can also use buttons to check probability by spinning a spinner. In this activity, the spinner is also connected to a table, which calculates the probability after each spin. Another dynamic feature in GeoGebra is input boxes. This allows users to enter data. You can also connect that data to predetermined values and tell if the user input is a correct or an incorrect answer. Here, buttons are used to alter the graphics view again so students can guess the transformation of an image. They can also see the transformation rule change as they change the graph. This activity simply allows students to move points and connect or disconnect segments to form triangles. Here, students use checkboxes and sliders to compare systems of inequalities. These interact with a point on the graph, which you can move and see whether or not is a solution to the system of inequalities. There are endless possibilities for dynamic activities in GeoGebra. They can be as simple as modifying an equation or as complex as creating random problems using a button click. You can create dynamic activities whether you are a beginner or an advanced programmer. Today, we will go over some basic dynamic activities, but I encourage you to explore more of the dynamic features available and expand on what GeoGebra has to offer.